Welcome to this quick guide on pinning a community group in WhatsApp on your PC with the latest update. If you're managing multiple groups, pinning helps you keep your most important chats front and center for easy access and faster responses. First, open WhatsApp on your PC. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to manage. Once the app is open, navigate to the Chats tab where you'll see all your recent conversations, including any community groups you're part of. Take a moment to locate the community group you wish to pin. This is the chat you want to keep at the top of your list for quick visibility. Next, perform a right click on the community group. A small context menu will appear with several options. Look for the option labeled Pin Chat and click it. The pin action moves that chat to the top of your chat list, making it the first chat you see when you open WhatsApp. This is especially useful for communities you monitor frequently or need to respond to promptly. If you're curious about what happens after pinning, you'll notice your pinned group stays at the top even as new messages come in from other chats. This helps you maintain a steady workflow, reducing the time you spend scrolling through your chat list. You can pin multiple chats in the same way, arranging them so that your most critical conversations remain front and center. Now, a quick tip. If you ever want to unpin a chat, simply repeat the same steps. Right, click the pinned community group and choose Unpin Chat. The chat will return to its original position in your list and you can repin another chat in its place. Keeping your pinned chats organized can save you minutes each day, especially if you're juggling several communities or teams. That's everything you need to know to pin a community group on WhatsApp for PC with the new update. It's a straightforward feature designed to streamline your messaging routine and keep important conversations easily accessible. If you found this helpful, consider pinning other essential chats and organizing your favorites for even smoother daily use.